Okay, I might have gone the wee bit overboard again, but it's fine because this year I'm reviewing every advent calendar I can get my grubby little paws on. Some will be gifted to me, the majority of them I've bought, but they're all gonna be ranked evenly. Skincare, toys, food, crafts. I don't know what all we're gonna have because I'm not done buying them yet. If it comes in a numbered door, it's happening. Every day between now and Christmas, I'll be unboxing a new advent calendar. And I'll be ranking it on my official advent scorecard. So if you want to play along and rank it while I'm ranking it, I would love that. And if you ever want to buy it, I'll always have them linked for you so that you can go over and get one. And remember, when you buy using my links, it's a little tiny bitty way of supporting me free of charge for you. Well, I mean, just the cost of whatever it is you're buying. And in the case of the Kitsch one, $125. Thank you. Grab your cocoa, hit subscribe, and check back daily. I'll be here, buried in wrapping paper and maybe regret. But we're making Christmas magic anyway, whether they like it or not. If you think I've forgotten coffee calendars, well, ha ha ha. You know me better than that. We're gonna have a merry little Christmas.